Daniel again from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I just want to quickly show you how you can access the pressure settings on your machine so you can adjust it to your liking in case on some nights you're not getting the pressure you think you need. Here's how to access that setting. To access the clinical menu, hold your fingers down on the My Options and My Sleep View buttons until the clinical menu opens. With the clinical menu on screen, press Settings and you'll see the pressure range option here. Press Pressure Range and you'll be able to set the minimum and maximum pressure settings, with your machine operating between these two numbers that you choose. Press OK to confirm your settings. Press the Home button to return to the clinical home. Then press Exit to return to the main screen. There you go. You successfully changed your pressure settings on your Resmed Airsense 11 auto set. I hope you found this video insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.